We were driving down some old forest roads and stuff out here in Roosevelt National Forest.
You're down by the river.
Oh my gosh, they have some bikes, some of those electric bikes down by the river filling up their water jugs. And we came across a cabin, some kind of cabin out here in the forest. And so we decided we would stop and check this out and see what's out here. So hold on, I'll show you where it's at. Hold on. Can you see it over there? I'm not sure. I'll walk over to it. So it's a little bit of a road right here. It looks like it might be a little spot to tie your horse to. What if you're out on horseback for a ride out here and you can tie your horse to that? That's the right size for a horse tie-up. Here's the little cabin. I don't know if you can hear or see the rain that's just suddenly came in. These skies are very ominous, and I can hear a lot of thunder. And it's just sprinkling right now. It's not raining a lot. Nothing like back home in Southeast Texas. Man, when it rains back there, it rains. Usually over here, you just get a sprinkle. Oh, how pretty. Man. Let's see, is it open? Hey-o, anybody in here? Always a little concerned about bears and such. Any bears in there? I don't hear anything except for rain hitting on it. Let's see. I don't see anything but a couple of stools. What's else in here? Okay. Oh, you scared me. Yeah. Why is the... Oh, yeah, duh. Let's take off your sunglasses, Greta. It helps to take your sunglasses. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, it is covered in poo. Oh man. Yeah, you'd have to clean that out good. Really good. Maybe. I'm really concerned with bears around here. There are bear problems up in this area.
Yeah, the stove's gone, the windows boarded and gone.
Well, this one's window, it can looks like you can open this window right here.
It's got windows in it, but the glass is only in half of them.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you told me not to stand there too long because of the smell, so you don't either.
Let's see, something tried to come in here.
I think something tried to come in there. That's making me think twice about camping in a tent up in this area. I gotta say. It's, you know. Oh, look, there's a little animal that lives underneath. Look, see the little hole? See a little animal lives underneath there somewhere.
Yeah. Was it like this, or was it tighter than this?
No, it was just like that.
Okay.
It was just like that. Let's see what else is around. It's raining pretty good now. I mean, well, it's not raining a lot. It's just sprinkling. I wonder what that is up there for. Now the rain heard me talking about it, so it decided to get a little harder. Oh, is this the old outhouse? Look, there's an old outhouse over here in the woods. I bet that's what that is.
It's definitely.
You know, it's got to be. Okay, we're going to go investigate the old outhouse. Hold on. I can't believe I couldn't see in the cabin because I had my sunglasses on. That rain's trying to get more serious. Oh, yeah. Well, you certainly can't say that whoever was here didn't have a pot to piss in, you know, because they got that right there. Had to use a few outhouses myself in my day. We had a farm in Virginia many years ago that had an outhouse. And we lost water one time. I don't remember why exactly, but we were, I think the electricity, I remember the electricity went out. And so we had our well. So if the electricity went out and you had a well, then the electric couldn't run the well. No electricity, no well, no water, no water. Ooh, that's closer. No water. So anyway, we had an outhouse. So we used it. It seems like we were out of electricity for a few days. That's when I think Daryl was off on a job probably. But so, all right. Now let's go over here and see, because I saw through the trees there's another building way over there. And you can't see it yet, but we're going to get a little closer and go over and see what that's all about. All right, so this looks like a barn to me, because I can see the door is split over here. So maybe a horse or a cow could look out the door. You just open the top one and they can look outside. I don't think I can open that. Can I open that? Hey, bear. Hey, bear. Any bears? Don't look like there's any bears. That's good. Oh, man, that's a nice barn. This is not real old. You know what? This is not old. This is got to be for if somebody's brought the horses up to come exploring the national forest, and they brought their horses with them. This is, I mean, it may have been here for a long time and they rebuilt it over the years, but this is new. This is new tin. That's a new tin roof. Well, fairly new, you know, 10, 15 years old, new enough. And but I like how they built the sides out of the slats, the side of some logs. It's really cool. Oh, it has some type of little loft up in here too. Oh, this time, let's take off our sunglasses. Thank you. So I can see in the building instead of thinking it's really dark and scary. Oh, well, this side, I can't open the door. It doesn't open on this side. It's just the other side that it opens on. Yeah, there's a lot of that rat poo in here too. So you have to be mindful of that virus you can get from smelling a lot of rat droppings and stuff like that. But this is a really nice stable. There's a stream down here in the valley. We'll go see about that. All right. We've almost got up to the stream now, so let's go see. You can just barely hear the stream. I don't know if you can hear it with this new microphone that I have on. I might disconnect it just for a second so we can hear the little bubbling brook here. Hold on.